Hey YouTubers, welcome back. Today I'm back with the chainsaw that I got from 2035 Jim. That's his YouTube handle. It's the free Poulan chainsaw he sent me. The main problem that it had is a clogged air filter. That's simple. So I just sharpened the chain, and yes, I will make a video to show you guys how to sharpen the chain by hand. Now the air filter back here is pretty well clogged. So the symptoms of a clogged filter is that you're not going to get the full RPMs the saw should have. It's also going to run as if the choke saw was on, and that's exactly what's going on with this one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start it up with the old filter like this and show you how it runs, and then I'm going to put the other air filter I have just to show you the difference. So as you can see there, it runs pretty rich, as if the choke's on, and when it's warmed up, it doesn't really want to idle good. So I'm going to take it in, switch the air filters, and then show you the difference. Now to replace the air filter, it's pretty simple. Just remove the two screws here. Now the whole top's going to come off. Now you're going to need to take the screws out of the old air filter and stick them in the new one. And now I'll just stick back the filter like this, with this part toward the bottom. I want to make sure it goes underneath the grommet over here. So like this. Now I'll just tighten up the screws. Don't tighten up the screws too much because you're just tightening into plastic. And now I'll just reinstall the top cover. And there's 3 screws that hold the cover, 2 on this side and 1 back here. So you can see how it works better with the clean filter. So I'm going to keep this chainsaw as a prop for future videos. If anybody needs to know how to do anything to this chainsaw, just let me know. If I have time, I'll make a video. Oh, we'll see you next time.